What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy J Reed for J Reed's Love of Cars. So in this video, it's going to be a little different than the other videos because I finally got my AUTOOL, if that's what you want to call it, Auto Fuel Injector Cleaner. Now you're probably wondering, why in the hell did he get a fuel injector cleaner? Well, because for some reason, I like fuel injectors. I like fooling with them for some strange reason. So this is what I got. I got the CT150. It's not the newest model. I think the newest model for this level is the CT160. But this is going to be the unboxing. I haven't even taken it out the box. So let's see what we got. I'm probably gonna have to put the camera down for a minute because I ain't got but two hands. So what is this right here? Ooh, look at all of these goodies. These are caps for the fuel injectors, I assume. This is the bag of goodies. It's gonna take me a minute to learn this. So what I can do with this is I can clean injectors, I can flow injectors, ultrasonic cleaning. I can do just about anything. And the main reason why I got it is because I've been going to the junkyard getting these 5.3 injectors, because once you decap these, they can flow anywhere from about 800 cc's to 1,000 cc's, which is perfect for the Honda. Or if you have a LS2, whatever, and you don't want to buy them on fuel injectors, if you're willing to take the chance, you can just go to the junkyard, get some fuel injectors, decap them, and have a party. But you need to be able to flow test, excuse me, but you need to be able to flow test them and clean them. And that's what I got this for. So we got all of the goodies right here in this bag. I'm gonna have to figure out what that's for, but let's take a look at the, oh, we got some more goodies right here. Plugs, 2 plugs, damn. I think that's for the normal 220 socket and 120, outlet and 120. You got the fuel rail. Now this is just for a 4-cylinder, but it doesn't matter. I preferably want 4-cylinder anyway. That's a pretty fuel rail. Feel pretty good. Can't talk. What else is in here? Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. So I think that's it. Let me get this out. Okay, so we got the plastic out of it. We got it out of the plastic, and this is what it looks like out of the plastic. Man, this bad boy is built pretty good. Now, this is all the functions right here. We got ultrasonic cleaning, we got idling testing, medium speed testing, high speed, acceleration testing, shifting speed, leak checking, idling spray value, medium speed spray value, high spray value, reverse, flushing, no disassembly cleaning. Man, we are about to get to work with this. And you can use it for car. I don't think you can use it for diesel. I think it's just gasoline. Man, I cannot wait to use this bad boy. I'm off tomorrow. I'll probably hook it up tomorrow and test out, do some flow testing on the, I've only decapped 4 of those, so we're probably gonna clean them and flow test them. And I may, if it comes out good, I might even put them up to sale because I don't need them right now. I got RC750s in the Civic. I took the FMU off. I decided to go full tilt, so I'm still working on the tune for that. Right now, it's tuned at like 8 pounds, about 8.5 pounds, at 50% duty cycle. So we got some playing to do. But I digress. So this is the cleaner that I got. Man, looks to be in very good shape, and it's, from what I can tell, man, this is pretty much the go-to that I saw a lot of on the internet. I just can't wait to test it. I might even test it today. Probably not. So the type of fluid that I'm using initially for testing and for cleaning and flow testing is industrial strength alcohol. That's pretty much what you want to use, or you can use actual injector cleaner, but it's like $74 per gallon. And I'm going to be doing a lot of testing and playing with this at first, so I don't want to blow through $74 worth of actual injector cleaner. And I'm still learning on how to use this thing. Now, having said that, online on their website, they do recommend industrial strength alcohol, and what I mean by that is anything over 75% alcohol content. The alcohol I got is 99%. That's isopropyl alcohol. Anyway, so here we go, man. It's not even going to take up a lot of space. I know just a spot for it. I'm not gonna hold y'all up too long. Just wanted to show y'all my newest toy. and I can't wait to start testing and making videos so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. This your boy. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, peace.